In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Adobe Acrobat Reader on your laptop. Whether you're working with PDFs for business, school, or personal use, this is a key tool to have in your software library. So let's dive in and get this installed together. First, open up your preferred web browser on your laptop. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or whichever browser you typically use to navigate the internet. In the search bar, type in Adobe Reader Download and press Enter. You should see a number of search results, but look for the official Adobe site. It should be among the top results. Once you find it, click on it to move to the Adobe Acrobat Reader download page. Now that you've landed on the Adobe download page, you'll be greeted with different options and information about the reader itself. What you want to focus on first is a link or button that says More Download Options. This allows you to tailor the download to your specific system needs, ensuring compatibility and the best performance of the software. Next, under the section labeled Operating System, there should be a drop-down menu. Click on the down arrow to expand the list and select your Windows operating system version. It's crucial to choose the correct version to ensure the downloaded file is suitable for your laptop. This selection helps prevent any installation issues that might arise due to system incompatibilities. Once you've selected your operating system, look for the button that says Download Acrobat Reader and go ahead and click it. This initiates the download process for the installation file, which typically doesn't take very long depending on your internet connection speed. After the file finishes downloading, you'll need to locate it on your computer. Most browsers will show a small notification at the bottom of the window, or you can check your Downloads folder directly. Click on the downloaded file to open it, which will begin the installation process. During installation, simply follow the on-screen instructions. The installer will guide you through several steps, such as agreeing to licensing terms and choosing the installation directory. Unless you have a specific reason to alter these settings, it's generally safe to stick with the default options provided by the installer. Once you have gone through all the prompts and the installation is complete, you can open Adobe Acrobat Reader from your desktop or Start menu. And there you have it, all set up and ready to go with Adobe Acrobat Reader. I hope this guide was helpful, and now you can enjoy seamless PDF viewing and editing on your laptop. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials.